Okay folks, we're here with another RPGmaker tutorial. As you can see here, this is a slot machine minigame, and I've just clicked on the picture, and this was my results. Just want to show you, that way you know that this picture here and as you can see, I've won some gold. We're going to come over to this machine, which I have rigged. And, so I got the 3 tacos in a row. That's our grand prize. We win this, so lots of gold and an elixir. Now, if you match any other 3 in a row, you'll just win, like, 500 gold, I think. Which is really not much, but in my game I'm going to have like 9 elixirs, and the only way to get the elixir will be through playing the minigame, and they represent permanent improvements to your character, so they'll be important. This guy here, he just sells some, you get a casino coin, yes, I can buy casino coins, and you notice, he doesn't just give you coins indefinitely. Anyway, let's move to showing how this event works, as it's all event, no script. There's my casino map. Okay, so you can see here that the rigged machine, right, it sets these variables, and the rigged machine sets the first 3 variables to the same 3 variables. And then as we scroll down, we get a show text, okay? And then you'll notice I've nested the show icon. Let me just... Sorry about that. That's not what I meant to do. Edit. Okay, so you can see here that the I've nested this draw icon, and inside of the draw icon I've put variable 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 through 49. And what that does is allows, like, it recognizes the variable number, and then it displays that icon. So what I did up here is I found a string of icons that I wanted to show up in my slot machine. Now, you don't have to do that. You could use a double variable, 1 to determine, 1 to 6 or whatever, or however many you want, and then you could use, something that set a variable based off of, like 1 could be like the 318, and 2 could be, something else completely random for a number. But that would be a little more complicated, I think. So, we're going to play sound effects whenever you win. Obviously, it shows the text. I have a thing where it gives you the random elixir. What else haven't I covered here in this variable? Okay, so... Oh, yeah. It checks, right? The first... I put in a control variable branch. And the first thing it wants to do is check to see if variable 41, game 1, equals variable 42, game 2. And if it is, then it's going to come here to this control variable branch and check to see if 42 is equal to 43. And then it's going to check to see if 43 is equals 318. Okay? And then if it is, then it's going to check to see which elixir to give me. And then as we scroll down here, this is what happens. This is our first else. Like if it's not 318, you're going to win the 5,000 gold pieces. No, excuse me. That's giving me the 5,000 gold pieces regardless of the variable. Sorry about that. Okay, so what we have here is the first else, right? If you just match 3 in a row, you're only going to get 500 gold pieces. And if you only match 2 in a row, you're only going to get 50 gold pieces. And of course, that's from right to left. And then, like, we're going to drop down to the bottom line here, right? And we're checking 7 and 8, and then 8 and 9, just like we did before with the other ones. And then the middle row we check here with game 44 or 45, just like we did with the other ones. Of course, let's come up here. If you say yes, you want to play the machine, it takes a casino coin out of your inventory. So that's how I built a slot machine minigame, and I'm very excited to share this with you. I hope that you've all enjoyed this video and you'll tune in for more episodes.